Hello, in this video I want to show you how to pack your files into RAR and zip archives on Lenovo Tab M10 Plus. And to do this you'll need to get the RAR app I shown you previously on how to download it. Now let's open it. Inside we need to find the files that we'll be packing, and here I have them. Select each of the file. Click on this plus button, you will enter archiving options. Here you can change anything about your archive, and it's not necessary to do it, so you can instantly click on OK to create a simple RAR file, and that's basically it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.